Customizing your Shopify notifications is way simpler than you think. Did you know that over 80% of Shopify store owners underestimate the importance of customized notifications for their customers? It's true. If you're one of those owners thinking notifications are just notifications, stick around because you might change your mind by the end of this video. In this video, you'll learn how to easily customize Shopify notifications to enhance customer experience and engagement. Trust me, personalizing your notifications can make a world of a difference in how customers perceive your brand. Many store owners struggle with generic notifications that fail to connect with customers. You know, the ones that say something like, your order has been shipped. It's like, okay, but what does that really mean for me? This lack of personalization can lead to a significant disconnect, and ultimately, your brand identity gets lost in the shuffle. When your notifications sound like they were written by a robot, it can leave customers feeling unappreciated and disengaged. So if you want to build a loyal customer base, you need to make your notifications feel special and tailored just for them. Now let's get into the fun part, customizing those notifications. First up, you will want to access your notification settings. To do this, log into the Shopify admin and head over to the Settings tab at the bottom left. From there, click on the Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Notifications section, you'll see a list of all the notifications you can customize. Want to change the email your customers get when they sign up? Or how about the message they receive when an order is shipped? Just click on the notifications you want to edit and you'll see a space where you can personalize the message. Be sure to keep your tone friendly and relatable. You can even include your brand's personality. Maybe throw in some fun emojis or friendly sign-off to make it feel more like a conversation. And don't forget about the triggers. You can choose when each notification should be sent. This is essential for making sure customers get the right message at the right time. Now here comes the exciting part. Imagine the moment you see your customized notification in action. You hit the Send Test notification button and there it is, looking all polished and personalized. This is where the transformation happens. Suddenly your store stands out and your customers feel like they are truly valued. It's not just about pushing information. It's about creating a connection. You might even find customers reaching out and saying how much they loved their personalized message. That's when you know you've done something right. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on Shopify tips and tricks and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Have you customized your notifications yet? Thanks for watching and happy selling.